Prosper Community Library is excited to offer Recipes and Reading, putting together recipes and discussing our favorite characters and books, and providing a fun and tasty activity that you and your family can enjoy together.
Welcome to Recipes and Reading. My name is Amy. I work with the Prosper Community Library. This is my son Garrett.
Hello.
And this is my son Riley.
Hi.
This month on Recipes and Reading, we are celebrating spring break or vacation time, right? So some people for spring break go to a beach. Some people go to their family's house. Some people do a staycation where they stay at home. Either way, it's a break from school and you get to spend time with your family and friends.
Like you.
Like they haven't spent enough time with me. So we are focused on the spring break this time. Are you guys ready to be off school?
Yes.
Yes. And what is our family going to do this spring break?
We're going to the beach with our family.
Exactly. Do any of your friends tell you where they're going?
My friend told me that he's going to a cabin in the forest and they're going to hike.
That sounds like
And
fun.
my friend said they're going to the Grand Canyon.
That's cool. So during your vacation or your spring break, the library has tons to offer you. We've got our e-reading with our Libby, which is our overdrive.com. Go on there, download as many books as you want, and then you can just take it with you. If you wanted to check out some books, there are oodles to check out, whether you are into graphic novels, whether you're a young reader and want to get something fun and new that you've not read yet. We've got all kinds of new releases.
A chapter book?
A chapter book, exactly.
Have a long read.
Exactly. And when we're on the road, which is what we're going to be doing, there are joke books. There are all kinds of knock-knock jokes. There are tongue twisters. There are riddles and all kinds of fun stuff. We've got different types of mixes that you can take on your trip with you. One being this one, which has got your peanut butter and your chocolate combination.
That sounds so good. Like a Reese's.
Exactly. So if you're not a big chocolate fan, we have another alternative, which is our very super sweet, adorably pink and white Chex Mix. It's got.
Pretty good for Valentine's Day.
It would be good for Valentine's Day. It's got sprinkled circus cookies. We put
Strawberries.
Yeah, exactly. Freeze-dried strawberries, marshmallows, powdered sugar, all kinds of yummy sweet goodness. And then for our third one, we're going to do a salty Chex Mix with smoked almonds and Bugles and Fritos and all kinds of yummy mix. So we've got a choice of 3 this month. All of the recipes will be in the link attached.
Make Smokey Crock Pot Chex Mix.
So melt the butter first, please.
Fritos. Corn Chex. Smoked almonds. Oyster crackers.
You get to go. Perfect. Thank you.
Bugle chips,
White cheddar cheese crackers. Cheddar cheese crackers.
You want to eat one of those? Okay, so let's read together what this says to do.
And liquid smoke.
You go under and over. Under.
Worcestershire sauce.
Okay, so now it says to take the butter, the Worcestershire sauce, and the liquid smoke,
Okay.
and drizzle over the top of the snack. So just kind of go back and forth. What's after toss it?
For an
So you
hour?
put it on for an hour and a half to 2 hours with no lid on it, and then you stir every 30 minutes to keep that bottom side from burning.
Now we're going to make protein chocolate peanut butter mix. Semi-sweet chocolate, coconut oil, natural peanut butter, honey,
This mixture in the microwave using 50% power at 20-second intervals until smooth and melted.
Vanilla extract,
That besides just the Honey Nut Chex, that we're going to do just a small amount Cap'n Crunch peanut butter.
vanilla protein powder,
Okay, so we've each gotten a turn at shaking this thing up and getting our jitters out. Now, are you ready? Check out this ooey gooey. Okay, you get to be the first to try.
Look at that.
So you ready for this one?
That sounds
This is the sweet one.
and next frosted animal cookie mix. Frosted animal cookies, rainbow sprinkles, Chex cereal, white candy melts,
Melt candy melts according to the package and then pour over the Chex Mix. Powdered sugar.
freeze-dried strawberries, yogurt pretzels, mini marshmallows,
We ended up with 3 incredible mixes to take with you on your vacation or your spring break. The first one is our chocolate peanut butter protein powder mix.
Which is delicious.
Supremely good. We also have our Smokey crock pot Chex mix there. It's almonds, bugles, goldfish, cheddar, white cheddar.
Amazingness.
Supremely salty. Love it.
After eating both of these, that's a good thing to have.
Oh, you're going to make both of them and take it with us? Uh-oh. And then our third one is our frosted animal cookie mix, which is incredibly sweet, but so very tasty. Each of these can go in their separate gallon baggies, or you can put them in individual serving sizes. That way we don't go crazy when we're eating them. Riley. Make your way down to the library, check out some books, make your mixes. We've got all kinds of selections to choose from. You said you wanted to get the A to Z Mysteries Vampire's Vacation chapter book. Had you thought about what you wanted to get for spring break?
Not yet.
I think I'm going to look at some of the Atlas Discovery books to see, as we're going along on a road trip, what kind of sites I can see as we're going through.
Maybe I could check some of the amazing library sources to find a book.
Or your amazing library assistants. How about that?
Yeah.
You guys be very, very safe over your spring break, and we wish you a lovely vacation. Bye.
Bye.
Prosper Community Library card. Don't leave home without it.